Hello, my name is Eric Leong. I'm the manager of Osaka Sushi restaurant. We have 3 restaurants all over Mauritius. One is in Préparez-vous, Notre, one in Black River, and another one is Flic and Flac. We open 11:30 from the morning till night 10 o'clock. Basically, Osaka Sushi restaurant exists for more than 2 years in Mauritius. Our main objective is to bring the taste of Southeast Asia and Japan to Mauritius through our international chef. We have a very innovative concept to our restaurant where we present the menu that contains more than 100 varieties of Asian and Japanese dishes. All our dishes are freshly prepared once we take orders. We only use fresh products to execute our dishes. For example, our salmon fly to Mauritius from Norway on a regular basis. Our white fin and tuna are all supplied from the local fishermen every day. And all our vegetables are all sourced from local planters every 2 days. And all our products are directly imported from Japan and Vietnam. We have a variety of Asian dishes including sushi, tempuras, ramen, donburi, grilled Korean and Thai dishes. What makes our dishes special and unique is our homemade special sauces and toppings, our creativeness, and the way we present the dishes in our signature sushi boat. Our signature dishes are lobster roll, dragon roll, caterpillar roll, and Japanese katsu curry, just to name a few. After visiting several countries, we found that a restaurant offering a fusion dishes and Asian dishes under one roof was lacking in Mauritius. It was a pleasure to me to see Osaka Sushi opening 2 more beach restaurants in Mauritius. My favorite dish is a Japanese gyoza. It's basically a dumpling, Japanese dumpling. And I like the caterpillar roll. It has the eel and avocado. That's my favorite. What we believe is the quality, freshness, and authenticity. That makes the difference. So everyone who is coming to Mauritius, love to have sushi, this is the right place to be here. We get the freshness, the creativity, and the authenticity.